Hi everyone, my name is Wenhao Zhang. Today I'm going to teach how to add a new project category. So first we need to click on the category on the left hand side, and then in the top we need to click on add new category. In the name we need to put on electronics, and in the discussion we put electronic cool loss of project like Apple. After we put the discussion, we need to put it down and then click on save. So the category is successful created. Now we should check if there has a category. So the category is already added. For the next step, we need to teach how to add the project. So we need to click on the project, and then on the right hand side, we need to click new project. And then we add the photo for the project. Like we find a project is iPad, and then we put a name iPad. In the discussion we can put iPad is a table computer design and developed by Apple. And then for the next step, we need to choose the category for the iPad. In here is belong to electronic. In the pricing, we put 800 for the iPad. And the shipping, we need to describe the item information, like the weight is, we can put it 5 and maybe 11, and the height is 4, depth is 5, and the weight is 15. And the shipping fee will cost, like we can put it 40. After we have done the shipping, we need to click on the quantity, which means how many quantity you have installed. So we can put it like 50 of iPad. And for the minimum quantity for sale, we can put it like 10. Store location, we can put like G. And yeah, after we have done this part, we can save it. And then we need to make sure the project is created, so we need to create a project. As you can see, the project is so on here, but it's not active yet. So we need to edit for the project. So we click on this mark. See, the project is already active. So those 4 I already created. Thanks.